In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively remove duplicates in Google Sheets. This is an essential skill to keep your data clean and manageable, even if you are handling a large data set. So let's jump right in and see how this can be done efficiently. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Google Sheets file. Make sure it's the one where you want to clean up duplicates. It's always a good idea to double check that you're working in the correct document to avoid unnecessary confusion later on. Once your file is open, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now, look towards the top of your Google Sheets window and locate the Data menu. This menu holds various options for manipulating your data and is crucial for today's task. But before selecting any options from the Data menu, it's important to make sure that you've selected all the cells in your sheet that you wish to clean up. To do this, head over to the top left corner of your spreadsheet and click on that small gray square just above the row numbers and next to the column letters. Doing so will highlight your entire worksheet, ensuring that the Remove Duplicates function will apply to all your data. With all cells selected, navigate once again to the Data menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, look for the Data Cleanup option. This is a relatively recent addition to Google Sheets and offers tools for organizing your information. Once you find it, hover over it to reveal additional options. Within the Data Cleanup section, you should see the option Remove Duplicates. Go ahead and click on that. This action will initiate a prompt that asks you to specify which columns you'd like to include in your duplicates check. If you have headers in your spreadsheet, be sure to check or uncheck the necessary options to include them in the duplicates removal process. This step is vital as it ensures you only remove duplicates considering relevant columns. After confirming your selection, proceed by clicking on the Remove Duplicates button one more time. Google Sheets will do a quick scan of your data and remove any redundant information based on the criteria you've set. This step is where the magic really happens, and it's one of the simplest yet most effective data cleaning tricks available to you. Finally, once the process is complete, a summary will appear outlining how many duplicate rows were found and removed and how many unique values remain. Go ahead and click OK to close that summary window, and there you have it. You've just completed a successful duplicate removal in Google Sheets, helping maintain the cleanliness and accuracy of your data. Remember, keeping your data organized not only saves you time, but enhances the reliability of your analysis as well. Thanks for watching, and feel free to join us for more tutorials on making your digital tasks easy.